How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode, and this one is gonna be very simple. Today I'm gonna show you how to prevent your headlights to go from really good like these ones to those yellow ones like on my Accord. You see my Accord on the headlight oxidation. When I tried to fix the headlights, I did a method that I saw on YouTube, which it didn't work, and I put clear coat on them after I cleaned them, and after like few months start looking like this. So this method, it doesn't work. I'm gonna show you something that I saw not too long ago that really works. So this Meguiar headlight restoration kit, they say that this one works really good, and it has some type of coating to protect the lights. This is for 1 year protection. So this kit has pads, sanding pads to clean the headlights if they already had oxidation, and the protecting spray. But in this case, because these headlights are brand new, I want to protect them right now that they're new. So I don't want to have that oxidation. They look yellow, they look really ugly later on. I don't want to have that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna clean them really well, spray it, and then this treatment, just you have to apply it every year. That's the only thing. With new headlights, they're all plastic, so the sun is gonna eat the plastic. They're gonna start getting a lot of oxidation. They're gonna turn yellow, they're gonna turn really ugly. So this is the best way to protect your headlights. So I'm gonna use this product, and I know this one is gonna work. I'm not gonna need to use the sanding pad like I said, and the cleaning solution. I only need the coating, which is this one. That's the only thing I need, because the headlights are brand new. So it will open the package. This is the one I need, coating. And this one, I get this one because maybe I'm gonna start working in some other projects for the Accord. So you guys gonna see why I'm gonna need all that for, but it's not gonna be now. It's gonna be later on. And here are the pads. Clean and remove oxidation from headlights. I'm gonna clean the headlights. I'm gonna remove all the oil. I'm gonna keep everything really clean, and I'm gonna tape around the headlight. So I just put coating in the headlight. So it's a very simple process. I don't need to show you that. Make sure that you just tape around your headlight. If you can see, guys, headlight is really clean. Tape all the way around. The first coat is gonna be medium wet coat, and after you apply throughout the whole headlight, wait from 3 to 5 minutes, and then apply a second coat. 50% overlap on the second one, and after the second coat, from 3 to 5 minutes, it's already dry to the touch, but you're gonna have to wait 24 hours before it fully cures. I know that this thing works, but still I'm gonna put it to the test. So Meguiar's is not paying me to say or do this. I pay for everything with my own money, so I'm not a sponsor for this episode. Okay, guys, so really clean. I make sure that everything was clean, and I'm gonna apply my first coat. Okay, so that was really easy. First coat is applied. I'm gonna wait, and I'm gonna do the second coat. Okay, guys, we go for the second coat, and then you do 50% overlap. There you have it, guys. That's all it takes. This headlight is coated. I know that now it's gonna be protected, and that's what I was looking for. So guys, that's all I have for this episode. I hope you like it. If you wanna check this out, feel free to do it. There is a lot of people using it, and make sure that you read the instructions. Keep your headlights really clean before you're applying it. remember, this is a preventive maintenance. Coating the headlights, they're gonna stay like that for a long time. So I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.